This is a Phoenix System cabin bag attached to a System Trolley. The bag will stay attached to the trolley throughout your travels. This bag and trolley would go in the overhead locker inside the plane. Once you've got the System Trolley, you can attach any Phoenix System bag to it. To attach to the chair, it goes onto the back bar. Now I can move around quite easily. I can even wheelie the chair, so I can still go down curbs. To take it off, it's easy as that. So I've extended the trolley and fitted the Phoenix System large bag. This is a hold or check-in bag. To prepare for checking in, I'll scope the trolley handle down as low as possible and I'll pull this hood over the top of it. This stops the telescopic handle accidentally getting extended during travel. Phoenix bags have zip pulls and stitched in handles. We always recommend using the stitched in handle when lifting your Phoenix bag.